Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are cooking chicken adobo. So let's start cooking. Now we'll start to marinate our drumsticks. I have with me over here 900 grams of drumsticks. I've slit them open like this so that the marinade can go into it much better. Now if you don't want to use drumstick, you can use chicken thigh. But my preference is drumstick or thigh, not breasts, because we need the fats for this. Add in 100 milliliters of light soy sauce, 100 milliliters of white vinegar or rice vinegar. This will help to tenderize the chicken too. 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. This is optional, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I like the taste of oyster sauce in my adobo, so I'm adding this in. We'll mix this up well and let them sit in the fridge for at least half an hour. Remember to remove them from the fridge at least 20 minutes before you cook them so that they will be cooked properly. This is one of the national dish of Philippines, adobo chicken, adobo pork. If you don't want to use chicken, you can use pork belly. Okay, so I'll leave this in the fridge and I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put the dish together, heat up a wok or dip pan, add in a little bit of oil, swirl the oil around a little bit. We are going to pan fry our drumstick first. We need to brown this, but don't throw away the marinade. We'll need them later. Right, just place them down like this. We just need to fry them about 2 minutes or so per side, just to brown them a little bit. Might splatter a little bit. Don't move them. Alright, we'll brown them on one side and then we'll brown them on the other side. I've been browning them for about 2 minutes. Let's have a look. Right, this is what we want. So now we just turn them to the other side. Browning them gives them more flavor, and this is exactly what we want. And the color is so nice. Remember to cook more steamed rice with this. It will never be enough. So continue to brown them for another 2 minutes on the other side, and I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been browning the other side for another 2 minutes already. Let's have a look. Right, beautiful like this. We'll remove them from the pan. You don't have to turn off the heat. We just remove them like this. Once we have removed them, we'll add in our onions. You can remove the sauce first. Pour them on the chicken, don't waste it. You don't have to wash the wok, just try to scrape it as cleanly as possible with your spatula. Add in a little bit more oil. Using the same medium heat, we'll add in 2 red onions, small in size, sliced thinly like this. Put them all in. We'll fry them until they are a bit soft. Remember to keep stirring them, we don't want to burn them. If they brown too quickly, just turn down the heat a little. Now you can see that they are turning a little bit translucent. We're adding our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chopped, add them all in. Fry until fragrant. Wow, smells really good. Now we add in our marinade. Pour everything in. Right, scrape them all up. Add in 400 milliliters of water, 4 pieces of bay leaves, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, you can always use cane sugar or white sugar, no problem at all. Mix them all up, let them come to a boil before we add in our chicken. You can put the lid on just to make them boil faster. Once the sauce starts to boil, we'll add in our chicken. Slowly add in all your chicken. Do not worry about the sourness from the vinegar, because after boiling, most of the sourness will be gone. Don't waste all this. These are beautiful flavor. We just pour everything in. Now we'll put the lid back on. Turn the heat down to low and we'll slowly simmer this for 20 minutes. At the 10 minutes mark, we'll turn the chicken over. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. We'll now turn the chicken to the other side. Wow, the fragrance is fantastic. By turning them over, we ensure maximum flavor to the chicken and make sure that they are cooked properly. Once you're done with this, we'll continue to simmer them for another 10 minutes. Put the lid back on and I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. We've been cooking this for a total of 20 minutes and all we have to do now is to reduce the sauce. Turn the heat now to medium or medium high and we'll just slowly cook the sauce away. Remember to stir once a while to make sure that they don't burn. You do not need to put the lid on so that the liquid can evaporate. This will take a while. I'll show you how they look like later. I've reduced the sauce for approximately 10 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is very thick now. Beautiful on steamed rice. Now, if you want the flavor to be more intense, you can reduce the liquid even further. If not, this is very good with steamed rice. Now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Let's try the steamed rice with the sauce first. Oh man, this smells really, really good. Just the sauce with the rice, I think I can easily finish 3 or 4 bowls of this. Really good. Let's try the chicken. Let's see how tender this is. Super delicious, extremely tender. No wonder this is the national dish of Philippines. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Oh, tell you what, the sauce with the rice, not really.